Very good morning to all of you, gentlemen. I know the present situation which is prevailing outside. For those who do not know me, okay, so let me introduce themselves. So, I am an educator. My name is Sanjay Singh, and as we all are aware that this particular time which we are passing nowadays is being forced to us due to uncontrollable circumstances, due to the sudden outbreak of COVID-19. Government of India and state government both are working together, and they are adopting some of the stringent rules and regulations for curbing, stopping, preventing the movements in groups. So this groupism is the main criteria which is being targeted by this coronavirus to affect more and more people instantly, immediately. So that is the main reason at present we are being asked by everyone, every knowledgeable person, to maintain social distance. Social distance in the sense that we have to maintain distance between two persons always. And it is applicable even in home also, gentlemen. It is applicable even in home also. So, in home also we try our maximum to maintain the distance, but outside when we are moving, we all are unaware that who is an affected person, who is not an affected person. The situation is so grim, you can say, so bad, that we are not in a position to identify anyone who is infected, who is not infected, who can transmit the disease, who cannot transmit the disease, knowingly or unknowingly. I am not saying that knowingly somebody wants to transfer the disease. Okay, unknowingly it may occur because the symptoms is found that a healthy person with corona positive will not show the symptom for some time until and unless his health starts deteriorating after a week or 10 days. That's why this quarantine period is kept as 14 days, because the development of symptoms, then only people will come to know if a person will start developing problems related to respiration, in his breathing, inhaling and exhaling, some pain in the body, then cough, sneezing, you can say common cold like symptoms, fever. But generally it is said that this corona positive symptoms are related to common cold symptoms, fever, and in addition with that some type of problem in respiration system. So severe acute respiratory indications, when it is coming, then only people comes to know that okay, this particular virus has affected a body. So follow the rules and regulations told to you by the government. Government is working for the safety of each and every pupil. because safety is first. If we are safe, we will be able to do anything. If we are not safe, then there is no use of working anywhere. A safe environment makes a human being to work for a longer time. Even it is applicable in working environment also. Being an engineer, I know that what actually is the effect of working environment. In which way a working environment in an organization affects the working of people. How providing a conducive, motivating, encouraging atmosphere to the employee enhances the productivity graph, enhances this productivity graph to a high level, because it is related with motivation. That motivation makes an employee to work with more sincerity, dedication, with heart. With heart. When we involve our heart and mind both together in our work, 99.9% you take it granted that you are going to get success. This is the key to success. We all have to know that. So, at this present juncture, when the people and we ourselves are facing severe problems outside, until the time that complete vaccination is not available in the market, we will not feel safe. Even if we will return back to our work, there is a need compulsorily to be cautious, always to be cautious. To maintain distance, we have to do it, because for a longer time we cannot keep ourselves inside the home, because keeping inside the home will not solve our purpose. Food will not come automatically and it will not go to our mouth. To have our bread and butter, in a nice manner, we need to work. We will return back to work 100%. Government is also thinking that we cannot keep our own people to be to sit idle in the home, and we cannot tell them that money is floating everywhere in the sea and we will be collecting it and we will be giving it to you. So it is not like that. We have to do that hard work. So government is planning, phase-wise planning. They already started in some of the sectors, and I feel that very soon we will come with some conducive solutions. But certainly I am sure that till the time vaccination is not available in the market completely and all people are not vaccinated, vaccination compulsorily it is required, till the time we have to be very, very, very cautious, gentlemen. So this is my sincere advice to all my friends. And as we know that all the examinations are postponed indefinitely, we do not know. But we'll keep on doing our own work. So being an educator, being an engineer, I also bring some of the small videos where the student can refer these materials which I am giving to them, or I am solving questions practically, to give them a practice, to make them understand. in a much more better manner. They would have understood in a better manner. No doubt in that. No problem. But additionally, if something we see, it is never harmful. It is always useful. Even the material or the topic which you are knowing very well, second time, third time when you are reading it, always it gives you some new insights. Okay? So, I have brought some of the integration questions from mathematics, which is useful for the students who are going to appear in IIT JEE examinations and all. Even for 12th standard and engineering students, these basic questions are there, which will be useful for them. Let us solve together and defeat this coronavirus, COVID-19, and let us take an oath that we shall overcome one day. We shall overcome one day. Oh, deep in my heart, I do believe we shall overcome one day. Someday, like this it is there, one day, 100%. Okay, so let us move ahead to solve the questions. Okay, so let us solve this question on integration. Okay, so we will be utilizing here log x square is there, here log x square plus log 36 minus 12x plus x square, and we will utilize the formula, that is a to the power b is equal to b log a. Okay, so here x square is there, here 36 minus 12x plus x square, this is a quadratic expression, and most probably whenever the question is given like this, so this also will come like this square. So let us see this one first. So 36 minus 12x plus x square. Okay, so this one we can write it as 6 square minus 2 into 6 into x plus x square. Okay, so this one we will write as 6 minus x whole square. Okay, so 6 minus x whole square we can write. X minus 6 whole square also we will be able to write. But here purposely I want that we should utilize 6 minus x whole square. If we will write x minus 6 whole square, then here we will not be able to substitute because it is definite integral, and in definite integral we want to use the formula a to b fx dx is equal to a to b f a plus b minus x dx. So here what we see, 2 plus 4 is, a is 2 and b is 4, so 2 plus 4 6, 6 minus x. So this 6 minus x purposely we want to utilize here. Okay, not x minus 6 whole square. So that is the main reason. Okay, so let us find out. Okay, so from here it is 2 to the 2 and 4. This one we can write 2x, 2 log x dx. Here we can write 2 log x, and as this 36 minus 12x plus x square is already replaced as 6 minus x whole square, so this one will go at this particular place. So this also we can write 2 log 6 minus x. Okay, right. So here also 2 is there, here also 2 is there, here also 2 is there, in numerator and denominator both will get cancelled. So we will be able to write now 2 4 log x dx by log x plus log 6 minus x. Okay, so this is 1, put it as 1. Now we will substitute the formula what we have discussed here, a to b fx dx is equal to a plus b minus x. So again further we can write 2 and 4 log 6 minus x dx by, so we are substituting in place of x 6 minus x plus log 6 minus 6 and plus x. Okay, so this and this has got cancelled. It has given 2 4I log 6 minus x dx divided by log 6 minus x plus log x. Now put it as 2. Okay, so we have substituted as 2. Now further we will go for 1 plus 2. This 1 and 2 will add them together. So here we are getting 2i is equal to 2t4 log, here x is there, log 6 minus x, log 6 minus x by log 6 minus x plus log x dx. Okay, this we have got. So this and this has got cancelled. Okay, so 2i is equal to 2 to 4 dx. Okay, x to the power 0. So this one will give us as x and 2 to 4, right? Okay, so this one 2i is equal to, so 4 minus 2, right? So this is giving to us as 2. 2i is equal to 2 and 2 has got cancelled. So the value of I is equal to 1. Okay, so we have got the value I is equal to 1, right?